Welcome, Power Learners! Today, we're going to be doing an experiment called Ice Overflow, in which we are going to be exploring the differences of density between water and ice. Before we jump in, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Power Learn. To do this experiment, you need a glass cup, water, and ice. The first thing you're going to do is fill your cup with water and put your ice cubes in it. It doesn't matter how many ice cubes you put. Then, slowly pour water in your cup until the water reaches the very top of the glass cup. Make sure that the water does not spill. Then, wait 5 to 10 minutes for the ice to melt and then observe what happens. Before it finishes melting, make a prediction on what will happen. Do you think the water will overflow or the level of water will stay the same? Most people will assume that when the ice melts, the water will overflow because solids typically take less space than liquids, and ice is a solid. However, as you will observe, the water does not overflow. Instead, it stays about the same level in the glass cup. This leads us to believe that water might actually take up more space than ice does, and that is the truth. Water is unique. It actually expands when frozen. This is different than other materials though. Other materials will condense when frozen. This concept is what we're demonstrating in this experiment. In the image before you, you see two diagrams. The diagram on the left represents water in its liquid state. The diagram on the right represents ice, which is water in its solid state. You can see that the molecules are more spread apart in the ice diagram than it is in the water diagram. The reason for this is that hydrogen bonds, which are bonds between these water molecules in water, is more stable when frozen. When it's more stable, it's not moving around as it is in water. In water, these bonds are breaking and reforming, but in ice, they're stable, and the molecules are more spread apart because of these hydrogen bonds. So, because of this, water is more dense than ice is, which is also why ice floats on top of water. That concludes today's experiment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.